Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about Clickbank. Now Clickbank has had a big facelift since the last time I actually came over to the site, which was only a couple of days ago, and I wanted to show you around. Now if you're a complete newbie, this is going to be great for you because it's going to show you around the new site, and I'll show you the various features they've added and made it a little bit more easy for you to go and search for various types of products. So if you haven't been onto my channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you want to build a business with affiliate marketing and you're serious, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, let's jump inside here. This is a completely new marketplace, changed a lot more modern. Everything's a lot more bigger and bolder, and basically what you can do is you can start with this advanced search if you want to. If you're searching for a particular product, you can come in here and it's going to allow you to search for a product name, exclude some keywords. You can pick your category, which is basically the niche that you actually have your various products in. So you can go and pick your category here. Then you can decide whether you want a certain type of content in there, so you got physical or upsell products. You can pick your language. You can pick your billing types, whether it's one-time, reoccurring, or trial. You can have various features that you want to look for within that product. So as you've got affiliate tools page, something I always look for. Is there multiple hop links, so you can use different URLs to get to various parts of the product. And then you have your stats, the gravity, the average conversion, the initial conversion, and the reoccurring billing. So if this is you don't know anything about actual Clickbank itself, I'll leave a video to the right-hand side here and the description below that will go through this in a little bit more detail. Now basically what I can do is come back to the marketplace, and you have these three options here. These big and bold options on the front screen. These are your top offers, your saved offers, and your new offers. The top offers are, as it says, the top offers on the network. This one at the top here is the SKYPE, which is the top offer, been for a while now, at 1081 gravity, some kind of diet pill. I'm not really sure what that is, not my niche. Then you have this Java burn, tea burn. You see a lot of these types of pills and these lot of diet niche will be the top offers, and you can basically scroll through these and find if there's anything there in your niche that you want to go ahead and promote. Next up, we have the saved offers. Now these are the ones that you've saved. So if you've done some analysis on a product, or you want to save it to actually come back to, you can go and save it, and it's going to give you a list of your saved offers here. And then you have your new offers here. Now these is really useful, especially if you're a newbie. Come through here and start looking at what are the new offers on the actual network that you might be able to promote, right? So you can come through here and look at these various offers. Now if I just pick one of these, I'll show you how these various pieces work. The top link here is over to the actual sales page itself, so you can look at the sales page and figure out whether this is something that's going to be good for you and your audience. Then you have some information here, so you can read more here, and it's going to give you some more information here. This section here is really useful, so it's going to tell you the different parts of the product and how it's actually going to work. So you've got an upsell flow, you've got reoccurring billing, you have affiliate tools here, one-time payment, mobile friendly, and basically it's going to give you the gravity score here and the average conversion here. Now if you want to go ahead and look at the affiliate page, for instance, I want to go into that more detail, you can hit the affiliate page. It's going to bring you over to the affiliate page with all of the various tools that you can use to actually promote this. So very, very easy to get to. And of course, if you want to promote this, you can go ahead and promote this quickly again with your nickname and your tracking ID and create the hop link. So that's how that really works. And I think it's all a lot more easy to actually navigate around. There is some information that you can get over and above this, but basically this is the overall information you can get on the products. So just come back to a more established listing here, and you've got the gravity score, initial conversion, and reoccurring billing numbers up here. So not a nice, so it used to be all grouped down here. This is all like big and bold now. Suits my eyes as somebody who's quite old. And basically, guys, you can see this is a lot fresher. So guys, just thought I'd give you a whistle-stop tour of the actual new interface here. I think it's really nice, really big and really bold, and it's going to help you find products a lot quicker. If you want more information on Clickbank and selling on Clickbank, I will leave various videos in the description below that you can go and check out. This is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.